Hello again, everyone. This is Mark Thompson with Watermark Data, and today we're going to be doing another tutorial for you, weekly challenge number 16. And this is a pretty simple one, so I expect this to be short. This data may look familiar. We already dealt with it in another file. And today, the only thing we're going to be looking to do is to change this format of this field from that to the standard date format that's leveraged in Alteryx. So first thing we want to do is we want to clean it up just as an insurance. We do this and we say, hey, you know what, we're going to get rid of blanks, leading and trailing white space, tabs, lines, blanks, other, right? And what I'm going to do is a little bit of a bonus for you because I'm going to convert the date in two different processes. The first one up here on the top, I'm going to be using the tool that comes out of the parse field. And you can see the little time, the date time that you can pull into here. And down here, I'm simply going to be using a formula field. So in the date time field, we're saying we're doing a string to a date time format. And we're selecting which field we're going to look at, which is field 3, right? And then we're telling it, what are we going to call this thing? And then we tell it it's a custom format, and it's day-MMM-4 years. So if you look at it, that's what we've got. We've got coming in, we've got the 2 days, 3 month, 3 day, 3 character month format. And this actually says, well, you know what? I don't need 4. I need 2, and I need to send it out, and it's going to come out poem red date in the year, month, day format. Year, month, day with dashes in between. That is the standard format. And then I use a select field, and I simply say I don't need this anymore, and I already had named it over there. Down here on the bottom, you can do effectively the same thing, only this is date time parse. And there's an entire code, and I can put a link in the bottom down in the notes where you can reference this. Again, we're working on field 3, and we're saying, hey, give me the day, and this represents the month and the year. And then it comes out automatically in the format that you want. Don't forget to set the date format here. And if we run it, you'll notice we get the same thing top and bottom, which is poem, poem ID, and poem red. By the way, I renamed those columns in that select tool. I renamed the columns, got rid of that. Here we go. So both of them are effectively identical. As always, if you like it, hit like, hit share, make a comment. Let me know what I can do better to help you out. As always, we will see you the next time around.